Close your eyes for a second and imagine your future self standing right in front of you. They're not judging you, but they're watching. Every decision you make, every excuse you give, every moment you choose to rise or to quit. Because one day you'll become that person. The question is, will they be proud of you? The truth is, every action you take today builds a version of you tomorrow. When you choose to sleep in, skip the gym, procrastinate, or give up, your future self feels the weight of that. But when you choose discipline, when you stay consistent, when you keep moving forward even when no one is watching, they win. Your future self isn't a stranger. It's you. Stronger, wiser, sharper, more confident. And they're silently cheering you on. Don't quit now, they whisper. Keep going. I need you to. Every rep at the gym, every hour of focused work, every time you push through the pain, you're building them. And one day, when you look back, you'll thank yourself for not giving up. You'll be grateful you showed up, even when it was hard. So the next time you want to quit, remember, your future self is watching. They're counting on you. Because what you do today decides who you become tomorrow. Be the person your future self will thank you for.